Hello everyone, we are going to demo the software for NVH data acquisition, basically from the microphone using a NI9234 device, and this is how the front panel of the software is going to look like. Basically the connections that I have already made is they will have a very simple system of NI9234. So you can see this is the chassis NI9178, and on this chassis I have mounted the NI card 9234. There are basically 4 channels over here. One channel I am using to acquire data from the microphone device, and then there are 3 more channels available. Another channel we can use basically for the triggering 5-volt triggering input, and that is something that we need to get from you from the pyramid guys. And so this is all connected. You can see this is the microphone that I have. So just for demo purposes, that's how it's going to look like. And once that is done, you can just double click and open the front panel of this screen. In this you will see that basically what you have to do is you have to first load the you have to first give the location where you want to store the data. So we are just selecting the folder to log the data, and that once that folder is selected, then you have to go to the trigger. So this trigger right now is manual, but I think it will be done later on automatically. So it should this will not be there in the final software version of yours. Yeah, Shivani.
Yeah, so once you give the location where the TDMS file will be saved, so this trigger right now is manual, but once we have the digital trigger connected, this will not be this will show whether the trigger is received, but you cannot operate this button. Okay, and this is the test duration, that is how long the test should run before you display all the data or the responses here.
So you can start now. Let's start.
So this is, the run has started. When I say yes, the trigger is received and 5-second data is connected.
I'm just impacting some noise. Okay, so I think we have to run one more time. So it's going to collect data for 5 seconds. You can see the pulses that I just gave. Okay, and you will be able to see the max dB noise that is there. Corresponding frequency for that is also here. So all this you can log, all this value, and then you have got the mode also. So 97 is perhaps the most common type of dB level that has been observed, and so this is I think this is the software. So I'm going to close this video now.